kuya. Can you tell about the British that we met?
Yeah, by the way, the British government went that we actually met, but we didn't actually talk, have a conversation between them and us. Actually, we did. The only thing we did.
I can understand she's talking about. If it's pardon please.
Oh, sorry if you're not understanding. Broaden your mind. Be free to bring nothing. So where are we going now, Red?
We're going to Naga City. Naga City is a place in the heart of Bicol. Yeah. We're in Naga City, right? You know.
No, no.
It's already sensitive. We're like getting sensitive. English na. English na.
What do you want?
English na.
What do you want to eat?
Matibay ka.
What do you want to eat?
Uy, isog-isog na. Mato. Wala.
Kuya man.
Kuya, matiraman kayo maggabi. What's your job, kuya? What's your job, kuya?
What's your job?
You're going to Naga.
Yeah, how's the weather there?
What will you do? Naga. Where have you been? Saan ka galing? Saan ka po galing? Ano ka po doon?
Doktor.
Conductor. You're the conductor. Conductor. How much you pay? You're the conductor. Give the 100 pesos. There is the evidence. Kuya. Give the money, kuya. Uy, oh, yes. Thank you, kuya. Go. Thank you. Thank you, kuya. Say hi. Tuhan.
Baka mahulog.
Oh, they're already committing there. Si Kuya Driver got it. Kuya! What?
You're being hefty.
No, it's there. Kuya, musta man magkabit? Masira man magkabit. Pati na lang po kamo nagtatapload. At bagay sa tapload. Sabagay. Saka, kuya, ano ka dito, kuya? Pasan ka punta? Sandro, ano gagawin mo doon? Sumakay ka dito or kasama mo lang sila? Kaninong mga baggage doon? Doon. Kayo yung nagdala. Okay, thank you po. You're supposed to give. Science high school po. Science high school. Nagkaraming lang po kami. Ayan po. Di po kayo marautan. Marautan si Kuya kaya rin mo science high school. Ouch. We're already in the San Felipe.
You're like a bitch.
Same to you.
No, I'm not joking, man. All I want to say is, let me hear it, listen closely. Go to hell.
Hindi ka na nagsabi kaya yan. Ka?
JJ, sakit ko.
Go to hell.
Antimoniman.
Go to hell.
Antimoniman.
Go to heaven. That's better.
Thank you. Damn me.
Ano ni Marshalla? Ni Rufa. Sige, dali. Rufa. This is Angel of Sin. Angel of Sin with short hair.
Ben, actually, Rufa Gutierrez.
Wait lang to eh.
Wait lang yan. Paano nagpapaikli ka?
Go, itong kita nila baga na I said go. Just for short.
I said go. Hello, chat person.
I said go!
You're nothing. What?
My friend is not you.
Yeah.
Eh, sabi mo kanina, yeah, newspaper.
Doon ano? Pronunciation. Remember it, right? Instead of it.
Someone is playing emo.
Nagsimahan siya. Hindi yung cellphone niya. Actually, hindi kanya yun. Kakuya niya yun. Actually,
Kuya mo talaga.
yung cellphone is not really
Sa kuya.
his kuya owns them. What? But
Mother is not.
his bro, his brother, that one. But you
Accidentally fell.
accidentally fell in there in the flowing water.
Yeah.
And that, can I see the cell phone? And evidence. Oh wait, he's getting already. Cell phone in the, cell phone in the, what a cute primary picture in the wallet.
Yeah.
Yeah, good.
Very cute.
But there's the cell phone. It's already,
No.
oh, it's summer here, but
It's no there.
there's no there. Summer here, snow there.
Tapos, mag-ano man naman.
Then, it's still there.